Today I show you how to decrease the text size of your iPhone. You might have the apps, they look normal, but also then in the settings the text might be larger. The other apps, they might have a bit large text. Everything is too big, and this could have been because when you were setting up your iPhone you set up the text to be too large. And if you want to change it, you can reduce the size of the text and increase it anytime you like. This is not something permanent. You might adjust this a few times. And to reduce or increase the size of the text on your iPhone, you go to accessibility. In the settings, you scroll to accessibility. In the accessibility menu, you go to display and text size. And here you could make the text bold if you wanted to, but that's up to you really. And you see larger text. The larger text option is enabled. And I have here, I can reduce the size. I could reduce the size. Apps that support dynamic text will adjust to your preferred reading size below. And this is the size now. And this might be actually too small, but it's up to you really. That's how it looks like. And further, you can also do something else. I'll show you now in a moment. You can also change the display zoom settings in the display and brightness, and then you have display and zoom, and you have larger text and the default, which is a bit smaller icons and the smaller text, a little bit smaller. When you change this, your iPhone will have to restart. So I will cancel it for now. I will not use this option. I prefer the larger text here. But that's how you reduce the text size of your iPhone. I hope this helps you get the size of your iPhone text as you want it. Thanks for watching.